Hey guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline. Offline on the application of Discord, we go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Discord and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.